So far in the last 3 possessions, they're having good looks. Talking about Rizal, just couldn't convert.
Wide open, gets his own miss though. Layup, papasok para kay Lucido after the three-pointer will miss sa first 2 points.
In this Rizal Switch Fiber roster.
Gusto ko yung sinabi mo, Melo, na one of the big guys. Kasi ang
Dami.
laki ng player nitong Rizal. Now this is
Itong Rizal, and nobody was on the corner for that kick-out 3.
three-pointer, that will work. First three-pointer para dito sa makabagong San Juan, Chandre Roma. Backcourt pressure applied, easily broken. As Lucido bibit-bit, able to finish on the other side.
What a move mula din.
Move against Pillas this time. Still 10 to shoot. Drives to the hoop, sidesteps his way through. Tingnan mo naman yung composure, kala mo naipit na. Still able to find a way. Pino to take another look at that escape. Rob Celes showing us why he was that MVP.
Ano nagiging problema nila ngayon dito? No? If they're able to make most of their shots, malaki-laki na ang kanilang kalamangan dito.
Pillas, ginawa mo naman yun.
Hindi pa masyadong nagko-commit yung depensa.
Rob Celes wide open. You don't do that.
All day to shoot itong si Rob Celis. Nakapag-isip pa no? Kung anong...
Ang cones ang kanyang mga defenders, and see this time around, obviously mas matatangkad na ang kanyang mga kalaban. As Rob Celes hitting back-to-back threes from opposite sides of the floor. 8. Look at some highlights from this quarter. Three-pointers working early para sa Mighty Warriors. Similar to their 14-under counterparts, using that as a weapon. Yung slow start na meron yung kanilang mga nakababata. Hindi sila nanibago. As Rob Celes with those 8 early points, giving that offensive spark for the Mighty Warriors. Ooh, look at that. Rebound and tip in. One of the lankiest guys on the court. Still 11 to shoot. Celes. To the baseline, to Labot. Nilagay na lang sa ring.
The amount of tension that Celis gets every time he attacks. Pagbibigyan mo na dahil andun naman yung aggressiveness
Another turnover para sa Rizal. Nonato attacking the rack. Dwayne Nonato, alam ko last season na Melo
had an easy drop pass to make, which could have been two-pointer for them.
Lucido, but maybe that shot, but the second opportunity will work for Lucido.
Ng athletic ability.
So trailing big though is Rizal, pero mababawasan after that Pillas conversion. Lawrence Pillas, free throws awarded via baseline inbound. Tumagos sa dalawang white shirts. Hand it off. Pillas once again gets another three, matching itong three-pointers ni Rob Celes. Lawrence Pillas trying his best. O run courtesy of Lawrence Pillas and his outside sniping. Timeout nga dito ang makabagong San Juan.
In the seniors division, back when he was coaching for the CU Scorpions.
Rufino with that steal. Takes it all the way on the other end. Taking the pocket of Rero. Lamangan, 24-19. They swing it. Celes from the corner. Gets another one. Three-pointers now para kay Rob Celes. First player momentarily. Tap from behind. They recover. Back to Reroma. Still 12 to shoot. Underneath. Season with a finish.
And Reroma, eyes everywhere on the floor. Kita.
A minute and 7 remaining. Our first half of action. They kick it out. Three-pointer from Sapo. Mahuhulog yan. Salamat Nature Spring for keeping us hydrated. Not just the players, pero kami rin dito sa panel and production team. As Lucido hits on that pull-up, extending the lead to double digit.
And you would see there, Coach Brit Reroma not leaving anything to chance. Although he already has the lead. Talagang gusto pa rin ma-extend as ito ang si Asay showing up.
Get it to Nonato. Looks at the clock. Hounded by Arada. No fouls to give if ikaw ang Switch Fiber. Turn around from Dwayne Nonato. So cut 16 under game between the Rizal Switch Fiber and makabagong San Juan, kung saan nabante nga ng 10 puntos ang San Juan. Offense a bit slow to begin this ball game, but nung uminit na talaga ng mga tuloy-tuloy na. Missing on both free throws though, but Magat out rebound. They swing it. Bounces it inside. Sundiang off the glass of that find para, from Kalueng.
Ball for San Juan and selfishness in full display.
Pilias once again. Look at that lefty finish. Showing us that he can finish on both. Oh, sorry, this is Goodwin Turing rather.
Oh, knockout play para dito sa panig ng San Juan.
Able to get that basket to go was Sapo. Arada, nice find inside. Sapo this time making sure.
And Dara.
Tulabot. Gets it to Lucido. He will pull up. Gets that jumper to go. Smooth looking jumper.
And so far, itong Ice sending the ball handler to the baseline. Eh, nasasaktan sila earlier. Celis was able to score on that.
Asay, tamang head fake. Finishes off the glass. Inindatan Nonato. Outside try. Ayaw. Arada speeding through. Finishes with that left. Mga-classic Sean Arada.
Fine.
Pwesto din talaga yung big of that rim run. Higher percentage shot. Arada to the cutting De Jesus. Able to recover just in time. Hitting his first bucket. On the other end, Sundiang. Gandang hanap. May kasama pang foul. Napasabit
Pa ang naibigay as nobody there dropping down on defense.
Of course, that foul counted play brought to us yet. Pero alam mo, matitigas din ang katawan. Pilias looking to create for himself. Arada spin cycle off the glass. Gets the bounce.
And Arada loves to operate.
Just 5. Heading to the fourth quarter. Look at some highlights here in the quarter. Asay nagsimula nga para sa Rizal and Arada picking up his offense as well. On the other end, doing just enough to keep.
Kamay dahil mabilis to.
Rufino gets it to Pilias, able to escape. Goes to the reverse. Lawrence Pilias splitting his charities. Was Lucido. Pilias stepping back. Gets another basket.
Pilias is feeling it.
Scorer for both teams. Celes, straight away 3. Gets another one. Rob Celes. Hindi pa lumalamig.
As we take a look at this three-pointer from Rob Celes, ice cold.
Pilias hands it off to Sean Arada. Spins in the lane. Asay wide open. Finally, gets that sweet jumper to go.
We're talking about sweet shooting big guys. In Manila, meron din Carl Brian Cruz yan.
And look at that follow-up coming from Asay. Slowly but surely, itong Rizal knocking at the door of San Juan.
Is at length to get that rebound, but yun nga, pag pinabuelo mo talaga, mahihirapan.
He will lose it. Rufino once again decides to take it all the way.
Itong mga guards nitong Rizal, Rufino.
Dalawa na lang hinahabol dito ng Rizal. Switch fiber. Take another look at that lefty layup coming from Rufino. Second game of a 6-game slate. Lucido will try. Gets that three-pointer. Pamatay sunog para sa San Juan.
And right now, itong San Juan, more firepower.
More firepower indeed. Rufino goes to Kalantak. Showing us the vision. Get another opportunity for the Mighty Warriors. Lucido, alley-oop! Ganda namang tapik! Presence of mind from legal pick of this game. Take another look as Lucido to Tulabot. I know you're saying it's a shot, but back to a 6-point advantage para sa San Juan. Lucido, his spin cycle, floats it up and in.
Sabi ni Lucido, para matapos na yung debate dyan.
Behind by Tulabot. Celes recovers, looking ahead. Sundiang gets it to Lucido. Executed. Fast break there for San Juan.
Heads up basketball right there from mate. An easy 2 points para dito sa San Juan, extending this lead to Vitre Roma. And yun nga, yung magandang adjustment dito, pinagsabay itong si Celis and Lucido.
Another fast break opportunity to Labot. At another basket para sa kanya. Also now in the break na naman. Lucido this time to Labot. Blocked by Pilias.
Tignan natin to. Kala mo libre ka na, but Pilias not giving up on the play.
We talked about the scoring, pero ang dami na rin big blocks nito. Highlight-worthy blocks. Speaking of highlight, Sean Lucido You'd be surprised, Melo is not. Knockout play, Pillas adds 2 to his tally. San Juan. This was their biggest lead. Celes. Gandang hanap para kay Season. The execution here. Takbo na naman itong San Juan. Tulabot once again.
And that has been the story of the game.
Minutes. Isinigaw na dito sa ating Antipolo City Sports Hub. Orendain gets that 3 to go. Chops this lead down to 15.
Rob Celis.
Season to the streaking Lucido. Lucido now with 24.
He is not yet done. The familiarity na meron itong San Juan in full display.
Blocked. But there to clean up. That was Podotan.
We're gonna move to the next play and do whatever is necessary.
Another basket. That is Gubaton with that dime. Podotan. Back-to-back baskets for Podotan. On the other end, end one. Makukuha ni Magat game.
And again, that is a strong message sent out by San Juan. They may be a new team, but again, they are they know how it
Are the mighty Warriors. A second to go as the buzzer sounds to signal the end of this ball game.